Special greetings, my dear students. Today we are going to see types of network. Okay, today we are going to see the types of network. First of all, once again, I would like to revise you what is a network. Okay, what is a network? Network, it is used for connect two or more computers. Okay, two or more computers. Purpose of sharing hardware, software, or any other resources. Okay, any other resources. When we are coming to the network, there are several types of networks are there. In your class, we are going to study this class. You are going to study only the LAN, MAN, WAN, PAN. Sir, what is in my LAN, WAN, PAN, and all? No need to get confused. Now let's see with an example one by one. Now, first type is a LAN. LAN full form is local area network. Again, I'm saying LAN full form is local area network. Local area network. In this place, my dear, in this place, local area network, uh, it can be in a one building. Okay, a network can be in a one building or smaller area. Okay, local area network. Example, our school is there. Our school, in all classrooms we are having a smart board, correct? This smart board are connected with a network called LAN. Okay, LAN means what? In a small area, if network is connected. Now you may have a doubt, sir, how this small area is connected? A LAN means a connection can be a wired or wireless. Here you can able to see this is a computer. Here we are connected. It can be a wired connection also, or it can be a wireless connection also, but it is a network. Network means a two type is a, it can be wired. Two ways we can able to connect. One, it can be wired, or another one, it can be a wireless. Okay, it can be wired or it can be a wireless. In this place LAN, maximum we are using wired. The main reason we are using wired is for transmitting the data fastly. If you are using a wired connection, we can able to transfer the data fastly. Mostly now see here, this is a one building, one, two, three. So this is a LAN network area. Okay, a LAN can be in a one building or two building or three building. Now, currently, up to 100 kilometer also we are using a LAN. Maximum we can able to use 100 kilometer. From 100 meter to 100 kilometer also we are using a LAN. Okay, no need to get confused. No need to get confused. Next, see maximum 100 kilometer and small areas. Okay, maximum 100 kilometer and small areas we can able to use. 100 kilometers is a maximum, but we are not using in everywhere 100 kilometer LAN. Okay, small areas we are using. Schools, offices, colleges, we are using a LAN. Now next, man. Man full form means a humans we not. Man means what? Metropolitan area network. Metropolitan area network. Okay, metropolitan area network. In this place, you have to remember one thing very clearly. This man is there na combination of two or more LAN network. Again, I'm saying man means it is a combination. Okay, it is a combination of two or more LAN network. Okay, metropolitan area network means it is a combination of two or more LAN network. Okay, example LAN means a man here metropolitan area network. Hospital LAN, it is a different LAN, and this also different LAN means what? Local area network. So in colleges only we are using, means this four are different LAN, or same LAN also you may keep, but when we are connecting all the LANs together, it is forming a MAN, metropolitan area network. Simple thing, if I want to make you to understand, LAN means a smaller area and MAN means a little bit bigger than a LAN. Why we are telling it is little bit bigger? Because MAN is a combination of two or three LAN network. Are you getting? So here is a MAN. This MAN is a combination of LAN. Okay, combination of a LAN. Okay. Now next, WAN, wide area network. Okay, WAN means what? Wide area network. In this place, you have to remember one thing: wide area network. In this entire world, internet we may say WAN, wide area network. Your mobile, you turned on internet data. So now your mobile also in a wide area network, world network. Okay, world network. Here see, computers are in entire world or connected together is called what? WAN. Means simple word we may say internet. If you on internet connection in your tablet or mobile, now that particular device is a wide area network. Okay, that device is a wide area network. 1 minute. Now that device is a wide area network. Last one is a PAN. PAN means what? Personal area network. Example, in a home you are using hotspot only few meter in a one room. In a one room we can able to use, that is called PAN, personal area network. Hotspot we may say, Bluetooth we may say. See here in this figure, Bluetooth speaker or in a mobile from mobile to laptop, we can able to transfer data with help of Bluetooth or hotspot in a short distance, correct? So in a short area, see this mobile, okay, only in a home you can able to use. When you are going crossing out of the home area circular, it will not work. Okay, so this all are there. Means this all are personal area network. Printer, Bluetooth printer, from mobile only you can able to press control P, it will go print out from mobile only. Okay, from mobile only press print, it will take a printout. Okay, so this all are the personal area network. Okay, in a small area it will cover. Now, so these are the types of network. Once again we can see types of network: LAN, local area network in a small area. Example, it can be in a one building or two building. Okay, maximum 100 kilometer. Second is a MAN. MAN is a combination of two or three LAN. Okay, two or three LAN network. Okay, it can be a many buildings. Okay, many buildings are little bit means it is a larger than a land. Man is larger than a land. Okay, WAN, wide area network. Entire world network will come in a wide area network. PAN, personal area network, means in a small room. In a small room or particular area, we will tell it is a PAN. Example, Bluetooth, hotspot. Okay, this all things we may say it is a PAN. Now next one, network architecture. Entire world we are having two type of architecture. One is a client server and another one is a peer to peer. Okay, another one is a peer to peer. Now first see what is meant by client server. Now just to imagine, you are having a bank account. Okay, when you are going to deposit cash in a bank, you are giving the cash, they are depositing in your account, correct? So you are the client, they are the server. Okay, correct. So in entire world maximum we are following this client server network. Everywhere we are following client server network. Why we are following client server network? Because we are not having full rights to access, we are not having full rights to do anything. Okay, if you are the bank manager, okay, I am giving you server account. Now what will happen? You can go, means you can put how much amount you want to put, you can put, correct? So this will not be, means anyone can do anything. Now you are working, okay, you are working under any particular company. If you are the client, now if you got the server permission, you can put how much you want, correct? So it is not possible to protect our data, to maintain everything record. So we are following the client server. Example, in a school, you all are the client, you all are the students, you are having limited rights. Teachers, principals, they are having the full rights authority, correct? So they are the server. Now see here, this is a server. Server will give request to the client. If server didn't like this computer, server can turn off this computer. Okay, server can turn off this computer. Server have full rights to send the data, to receive a data, and server can do anything. Okay, server can do anything. Here is a database. Printer means server head. It can do anything. Anything means not putting the bomb and all. Means server have full access. Okay, server have full access, but client have limited access. Okay, client have limited access. Next one, peer to peer. This is a client server. Okay, server is in middle. Server want, it can give on or off, it can do anything. But peer to peer network, equal rights. Equal rights is called what? Peer to peer network. Okay, you are student, your friend also student, correct? You both can do you both are having equal rights. If you want to go out of the classroom, you will get permission from your friend. Can I go washroom? Can I go and talk to him? Can I take pencil? You will ask permission to your friend. No. Why? Because you both are having equal rights. Okay? You both are having equal rights. In a home, your father, mother is a server. Okay? In your home, your father, mother is a server. Without their permission, you are not allowed to do anything. Correct? So you are the client. Okay? You are the client. Only they can do anything to you. Okay? So they are the, this is a, that is called client server. And peer to peer means if you want to do anything, you will take permission from your sister or brother or your friend. No, you all are having equal rights. Okay, so this is a network architecture. Okay, so today we seen types of network and network architecture. Okay, students, we are going slowly one by one. Finishing portion and all, it doesn't matter. We will finish fast as soon as possible. But uh, current time, COVID is spreading in a very worst manner in a high speed. Please kindly protect yourself. Without mask, don't go outside. Okay, be in a home, be safe. Okay, thank you, my dear students. Thanks for watching. Thank you.